I would say to someone who has not seen Fringe, it's gonna be gory. I hope you can handle that. But it's also going to be wildly entertaining and have you on the edge of your seat. And the coolest thing about doing the show was having read the scripts, having read, all the changes that were made, and then seeing it on TV and being completely blown away. I knew what was going to happen, and I was still absolutely immersed in the story. And it's also nice, to not be on set every single day and not get to see everything that all the other actors do, because I know what's going to happen, but I think everybody is so talented that seeing it come together with all the special effects and all the work that everyone else does, besides the actors who are in the show, is really cool. So it's incredibly entertaining and incredibly gory at times. And also it's about monsters and animals and a cow. And then to just go online and see the message boards and see how there is a cult following a little bit. There are people who really care about the show and care about the mythology of it and care about the characters. That's such a compliment, I think, to what we're doing, because we're just some actors trying to do a nice job, and it's obviously working, because people it's touching people, I think. I'm looking forward to Astrid getting out of the lab in season 2. I was told that it was going to happen. I know who to call if it doesn't. They said, listen, everybody wants to see Astrid out of the lab, and she's going to get out of the lab and do some stuff. I hope it involves a gun. I don't know. I'm not going to get my hopes up. Within the show, I think humor is really important, because we are dealing with such heady subject matter. We're dealing with death in every single episode. And, it's TV, and death is on TV all the time. But, we don't want to take it lightly. That's what we're fighting for. We're fighting to keep as many people alive as we possibly can. And so I think that it's important to have a little bit of lightness to contrast